Good morning, everyone. Today I, Jyoti Tiwari, stand in front of you to present a speech on Rabindranath Tagore's Jayanti. I am glad to be a part of this program. Rabindranath Jayanti is celebrated every year to make the birth anniversary of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore's legacy and contribution to the field of Bengali and English literature can be gauged from the respect his name demands at every utterance. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th May in 1861 at Joraska, Kolkata. He was born in a rich and cultural family. His parents were Maharishi Devanand and Sarda Devi. He was very much interested in writing a poem from an early age when he was just 14 years old. He began writing poem at that his mother died in 1875. He took his early education at home. The private teachers were there to educate him. He never attended school, however. He went to England for higher studies. He went to England in 1878 to study law and he returned without completing the studies and started his career as a poet and writer. He translated his work Gitanjali into English. During the time when he was in England, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature within the year his Gitanjali was published. He has mentioned the mysticism and sentimental beauty of Indian culture in his writing, for which a non Western was honored with prestigious award for the first time. He was a good philosopher through which he has influenced a huge range of Indian people during the freedom struggle. It is unforgettable contribution towards the Indian literature. The two songs from his Rabindranath Sangeet were more famous as they are national anthem of two countries such as Amar Shano Bangla and Jana Gana Mana. His great writing in the form of poems and stories are unchallenged even today. Perhaps he was the first who filled the gap between the West and East through his effective writing. Rabindranath can be compared with Rabindranath himself as he was considered the greatest figure in the modern Indian Renaissance. Look upon him as a source of beauty and knowledge and as the inspiration of all noble thoughts and great ideas. Rabindranath is no more with us, but his ideas and ideals will continue to inspire and encourage the whole of humanity in the days to come. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
প্রথম আদি তব শক্তি আদি পরম জল জ্যোতি তোমারি হে গগনে গগনে প্রথম আদি তব শক্তি তোমার আদি বাণী বহিছে তব আনন্দ তোমার আদি বাণী বহিছে তব আনন্দ জাগিছে নব নব রসে হৃদয়ে মনে প্রথম আদি তব শক্তি আদি পরম জল জ্যোতি তোমারি হে গগনে গগনে প্রথম আদি তব শক্তি তোমার চিদাকাশে ভাতে সূরজ চন্দ্র তারা প্রাণ তরঙ্গ উঠে পবনে তোমার চিদাকাশে ভাতে সূরজ চন্দ্র তারা প্রাণ তরঙ্গ জ্যোতি তোমারি হে গগনে গগনে প্রথম আদি তব সৃষ্টি।
A warm welcome to everyone. Everything comes to us that belongs to us if we create the capacity to receive it by Rabindranath Tagore. रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर एक विश्व विख्यात कवि, साहित्यकार और दार्शनिक थे। ये अकेले ऐसे भारतीय साहित्यकार थे जिन्हें नोबेल पुरस्कार मिला है। वो दुनिया के अकेले ऐसे कवि हैं जिनकी रचना दो देशों का राष्ट्रगान गान है। सारी दुनिया उन्हें कवि गुरु के नाम से जानती है। आज के ऑनलाइन के ज़माने में कोरोना महामारी के द्वारा हम लोग ऑनलाइन के माध्यम से कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। हमारे फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के तरफ से हमारा डिपार्टमेंट के सभी एकजुट हो के ये कल्चरल प्रोग्राम एक छोटी सी वीडियो के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से कुछ छात्र छात्री आपके सामने ऑनलाइन वीडियो द्वारा कुछ कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करेंगे। नेशनल एंथम इन वायलिन बाय प्रत्यय घोष, पोएम बाय श्रुति कुमारी, आमारो पुरानो जहा चाय गान बाय प्रत्यय घोष, एकला चलो ले वायलिन बाय प्रत्यय घोष, पुरानो সেই দিনের কথা by প্রত্যয় ঘোষ, and at last a short line by रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, যদি ডাক শুনে না কেউ একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো রে।
Go not to the temple to put the flowers upon the feet of the god. First, fill your own house with the fragrance of love and kindness. Go not to the temple to light candles before the altar of God. First, remove the darkness of sin, pride, and ego from your heart. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. First, learn to bow in humanity before your fellow men and apologize to those who you have wronged. Go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. First, bend down to lift someone who is downtrodden and strengthen your young ones, not crush them. Go not to the temple to ask for forgiveness of your sins. First, forgive from your heart those who have hurt you. Thank you.
It's